Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let us start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take your social science book. All of you take your social science book. Take book page number 164. Take book page number 164. Take children. Have you taken children? Page number 164? Yes, so in the previous class we have learnt 4th unit safety. Yes or no children? So already in the previous class we have learnt about the safety measures to avoid the accident, and also we know about the fire safety and water safety and then electrical safety. Yes or no? So all we have learnt already in the previous class. Yes or no children? So today we want to learn about the road safety. Okay. So first we will recall the previous class topics and we can continue our today topic. Okay children. So all of you have to listen. So our life is very precious. Our life is very precious. Yes or no children? So accident may occur at home, school and road and other places also. So we have to protect. Okay children, we have to protect ourselves from the dangers. Okay children, so we have to know the safety measures and we need to follow that. Okay children, so there are fire safety, road safety, water safety and then electrical safety. Okay children, so we need to follow this, know this safety measures and we need to follow that. Okay children, then only we can avoid the accident. Okay. So first fire safety. So fire is the man marvelous creation. So fire is an important thing. Yes. So without fire we cannot create anything. We cannot destroy anything. We cannot create anything. Yes or no children? So nammalaala or cook kuda or food kuda create cook panna mudiyadhu. So fire is very important for our daily life. Okay children, so fire is used in many ways in our everyday life. Okay children, so we should handle it carefully. Okay, so fire நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும். Okay children, then we can avoid the accident. Okay, so we should handle fire carefully, we can avoid the accident. Okay children, next water safety. Water also very important in our daily life. Without water we cannot live. Without water we cannot live. Yes or no children? So water is very important in our life. Okay, so water also very important in our daily life. Okay, so without water we cannot drink, we cannot bath, we cannot wash everything, wash in a vessels. Yes, so we want water. Okay, so we have to follow the safety rules while bathing or cooking. Yes, so we can avoid the accident. Okay children, so நம்ம எப்பவுமே safety rules follow பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு accidents என்ன செய்யாது வராது. We can avoid the accidents. Okay children, so we need to follow the safety rules. Okay children, okay, then our today topic we can continue. We will learn about road safety. Okay children, so we must be very careful while traveling on any road. Okay, so நம்ம எப்பவுமே travel பண்ணும்போது ரோட்ல travel பண்ணும்போது எப்படி இருக்கணும்? Very careful, very careful while traveling. Okay children, so the number of vehicles going on the road is increasing. So nowadays we can see many vehicles on the road. Yes or no children? So nowadays all the houses there is the vehicle. முன்னாடியெல்லாம் நிறைய வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ் கிடையாது அப்படிதானே? ஸோ இப்போ பாரு எல்லார் வீட்லேயும் என்ன இருக்குது? பைக்கு, ஸ்கூட்டர், கார். எஸ், ஸோ லைக் தட். ஸோ மெனி வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ். ஓகே, அவர் roads are increasing. The vehicles are going on the road is increasing. So many vehicles we can see the on the road. Okay children, so we need to very careful. We need to very careful while traveling on the road. Okay children, so most of the accidents are caused by carelessness. Okay, so நிறைய accidents எதனால தான் நடக்குது? Careless, கவனக்குறைவு. Okay, carelessனால தான் நிறைய accidents நடக்குது. Okay, children, so we must be very careful while traveling on the road. Okay, children. Next, traffic signal for vehicles. So did you see, children? Did you see like this traffic signals on the road? So in city sides we can see traffic signals. Village side we cannot see. Yes or no, children? In city areas we can see this type of traffic signals. So it is very useful. It is very useful. Many number of vehicles can increase nowadays. Yes or no, children? Many vehicles we can see the road. Yes. So we are using this traffic signals to avoid the accidents. Okay, children. So all of you have to know this purpose of traffic signal. Okay. So all of you have to listen carefully. Okay, children. So traffic signals are used to control the movement of traffic. Okay, so நம்ம ரோட்ல போகக்கூடிய வெஹிக்கிள்ஸோட மூமெண்ட்டை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் இந்த டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குது. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ தே ஆர் பிளேஸ்ட் ஆன் த ரோடு அட் த instructing and crossing. Okay, so this traffic signals we can see on the road. Okay, children, so the different colors of traffic signals, who drive the vehicle, who driving the vehicles. This traffic signals lights tell us the drivers what to do. Okay, so traffic signals only tells that the drivers who drive the vehicles, the drivers what to do. ஓகே, அவங்க என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறத இந்த டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல்ஸ் தான் இது சொல்லுது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெட் லைட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு ரெட் லைட்ஸ். ஸோ ரெட் லைட் மீன்ஸ் டிரைவர்ஸ் டு ஸ்டாப். ஓகே, ஸோ ரெட் லைட் போட்டாங்கன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ட்ரைவ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கவங்க டிரைவர்ஸ் என்ன செஞ்சிடணும்? காரை உடனே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடணும். காரோ பைக்கோ உடனே என்ன செய்யணும்? ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ரெட் லைட் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்டாப். ரெட் லைட் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்டாப். ஓகே, தென் yellow light. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு yellow light means get ready. Yellow light means get ready. Okay, this is the warning signal. Okay, so ரெடியாக இரு அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், yellow light means get ready. Start to slowly down to get ready. Okay children, then green light. Green light means driver can start to driving. So green light means go. Okay children, so vehicles can move. Okay children, so red light போட்டாங்கன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? உடனே வண்டியை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடணும். Okay, wherever we go we can see the traffic signal. So there is the red light, we can stop the vehicle. Okay children, all of you have to say. Okay, say the drivers. Okay, red light means stop. Then yellow light means get ready for moving. Get ready for moving. Then green lights means you can move. Okay, so vehicles can go. Okay children, do you understand? Okay, so this is the traffic signal for all the vehicles. Okay, whenever we travel the vehicle we can see this traffic signals. We can understand the purpose of traffic signal. Okay children, so இந்த traffic signals ஓட purpose நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு என்ன செய்யணும்? ரூல்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணி நம்ம டிரைவ் பண்ணணும். Okay, then we cannot face the accident. Okay, we can avoid the accidents. Okay children, okay va? Okay, then to avoid accident, okay, road accident, we can follow some safety rules to we can avoid the road accidents. Okay children, so the first point, follow traffic rules. Okay, first என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம traffic rules-ஐ ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம லெஃப்ட் சைடு தான் என்ன செய்யணும்? நடந்து போகணும். ரைட் சைடு என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? போகக்கூடாது. அப்படிதானே? ஸோ நம்ம லெஃப்ட் சைட்லேயே எப்பவுமே நடந்து போகல. ஸோ லைக் தட் we have to follow some traffic rules. Okay children, then next we must obey the traffic signal. Okay, so இந்த லைட்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குல்ல traffic signals, green light means go, red light means stop, and then yellow light means get ready. So this traffic signals, so we must obey the traffic signals. Traffic signals la menchino obey பண்ணனும். Okay, then do not rush on the road. ரோட்ல என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, ரொம்ப ரோட்லலாம் போகும்போது ரொம்ப ரஷ்ஷாக நிறைய பைக்கு காரு அந்த மாதிரி போகலாம், அந்த இடங்கள்லாம் போகிறத அவாய்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, do not rush on the road. Okay children, then when we travel in a car we should wear seat belt. Okay, so நம்ம கார்லலாம் ட்ராவல் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், we should wear seat belt. ஸோ எல்லா கார்லேயுமே என்ன இருக்கும், seat belt இருக்கும் அப்படிதானே. ஸோ when we travel in a car we should wear seat belt. Okay children, next we should wear helmet while riding in a two-wheeler. ஸோ டூ-வீலரில் நம்ம போகும்போது ட்ராவல் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், we should wear helmet. Okay children, while riding a two-wheelers we should wear helmet. Okay children, so this rules we have to follow and we can avoid the road accidents. Okay children, so இதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணனா நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம், ரோடில் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ் நடக்காமல் நம்மளால் பாதுகாப்பாக இருக்க முடியும். ஓகே children, so road safety is the something important. Okay, so that has helps to follow the safety rules. Okay, so we should follow the safety rules. Okay, so we can avoid the road accidents. Okay children, okay, next children, next page. Not only this who are driving the vehicle, even those who are walking on the road, even driving the vehicles, those who are not only those who are, even those who walk on the road, so they also should have to follow some rules and signs. Okay children, so vehicles la போறவங்க மட்டும் இல்லாம even those who are walking on the road, so ரோட்ல நடந்துலாம் போவாங்களா, ஸோ அவங்களே என்ன செய்யணும், சில ரூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தென் only we can avoid the accident. Okay children, so on the road, for example, when we are walking on the road, always walk on the pavement. Pavement means நடைபாதை, நடக்கிறதுக்குன்ட்டு ஒரு வழி இருக்கும்லடா ரோட்டில், அதில் மட்டும்தான் என்ன செய்யணும், நம்மளால் நம்ம நடந்து போகணும். ஆல்வேஸ் வாக் ஆன் த பேவ்மெண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ ட்ரைவ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது டிரைவர்ஸ், அந்த வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ் இருக்குதுல, அவங்க மட்டும் ரூல்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும்னு கிடையாது, ரோடில் நடந்து போகிற நம்ம கூட என்ன செய்யணும், ரூல்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் வி வாக் ஆன் த பேவ்மெண்ட். ஓகே, நடைபாதையில் நடக்கணும். ஓகே, தென் செகண்ட், டு நாட் ப்ளே ஆன் த ரோடு. ஸோ ரோடில் நடந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, அங்கே போகிறது இங்கே போகிறது அந்த மாதிரி விளையாடக்கூடாது. ஓகே, ஸோ டு நாட் ப்ளே ஆன் த ரோடு. தென் வி ஷுட் லுக் அட் த கலர்ஸ் ஆஃப் த சிக்னல் while crossing the road. Okay, so there is a signal when you are walking, there is a signal. Can you see children, did you see the like that signals? So we should look at the color of the signal. Okay, while crossing the road. So road cross பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யணும், அதில் டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும் for the pedestrians. Okay, நடந்து போகிறவங்களுக்குன்ட்டு டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ we should look at that. Okay children, அந்த சிக்னல்ஸை பார்த்து என்ன செய்யணும், நம்ம ரோடை கிராஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் see children, traffic signal for the pedestrians. So pedestrians means நடப்பவர், ரோடுலாம் நம்ம நடந்து போகிறோம்ல, so they only call pedestrians. Okay, so traffic signals for the pedestrians. So red, see the picture children, ஒரு மனுஷன் நிற்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குதா, that red symbol. So when the red signal, we can see we must stop. Okay, so நம்ம என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, அந்த டைமில் ரோடை கிராஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, then when the green signal we can see we can go. Okay, so we can cross the road. Okay children, so pedestrian also have to follow the traffic signs. Okay, signals. ஓகே, ரெட்டு போட்டாங்கன்னா என்ன செய்யணும், நடந்து போகிற நம்ம கூட என்ன செஞ்சிடணும், ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடணும். க்ரீன் போட்டாங்கன்னா தான் மட்டும்தான் we also cross the road. Okay, red symbol means we do not cross the road, green symbol means we can cross the road. Okay children, so this is the traffic signal for pedestrians. Okay children, have you understood? Okay, then have you ever seen this traffic signal? This traffic signal நீ எங்கயா பார்த்திருக்கிறியா? If you say, did you see? You can write yes. You will not see, sorry, you didn't see, you write no, like that. Okay, where did you see? நீ பார்த்திருக்க yes அப்படினு எழுதுனியனா நீ எங்க பார்த்த அப்படினு எழுதணும். Okay, where did you see? Okay children, you have to write the answer. Okay, next, while crossing the road we must there is no traffic signal, we must follow some rules. Okay children, when we cross the road there is no traffic signal, we must follow some rules. Okay children, okay, so that is the zebra crossing. So நீ cross road cross பண்ணனும் அப்படினா there is no zebra crossing. We have to see first left side, we have to look at the right side, then left side and again right side. So நாங்க இப்போ நீ நடந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ரோட் கிராஸ் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா அங்க zebra crossing அப்படின ஒரு ரோட் கிராஸ் பண்ற ஒரு சிம்பல் இல்ல அப்படினா நீ என்ன செய்யணும்? We have to look right first உன்னோட ரைட் சைடு பக்கம் பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, ரோட் கிராஸ் பண்றதுக்கு first we have to look at right side, then left side, next left side you have to look at left side, again you have to look at right side. Okay, then only we can cross the road. Okay, so in the city sides we can see traffic, zebra crossing. In the city side we can see zebra crossing. Okay, but in village sides we cannot see that. Yes or no children? Yes, so in that time we have to follow the rules. Okay, we have to look at the right first, then left side and again right side. You have to look at that and we can cross the road. Okay children, so this is the rules to cross the road. Okay, then take next page, zebra crossing. So do you know children zebra crossing? So see the picture children, there is a picture, see that is the zebra crossing. Okay, the black and white lines, the black and white lines of the zebra crossing resembles the skin of a zebra. So varikudirai அப்படின ஒரு zebra means varikudirai. zebra னா என்னது? varikudirai. அப்படினா varikudirai மேல இந்த மாதிரி தான லைன்ஸ் இருக்கும், black with red, black and red lines, black and white lines. Yes, black and white lines. Can you see children zebra? Yes, so this line, black and white lines of the zebra crossing resembles the skin of a zebra. Okay, so varikudirai மேல இருக்கிற மாதிரி black and white கலர்ல இருக்கிறதுனால இதுக்கு zebra crossing அப்படினு நேம். சரியா? Okay, so listen children, zebra crossing, pedestrians should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Okay, so in the village we cannot see. Yes, in cities there is the zebra crossing. So pedestrians means roadla nadandu poravanga. Okay, so we are. Okay children, so pedestrian should cross the road only at zebra crossing. So pedestrians la nadandu poravangala நம்ம என்ன ரோட கிராஸ் பண்ணும்போது zebra crossing பார்த்து என்ன கிராஸ் பண்ணனும். Okay, so there is no zebra crossing, you have to look at right side first, then left side and again right side, then we can move. Okay children, there is no vehicle, we can cross the road. Okay children, next, traffic park. So do you know children? We know park. Yes, park namakku theriyum. Traffic park, do you know children? Did you see like this traffic park? Yes, so we can learn road rules in the traffic park. Okay, so road rules நம்ம எங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம், traffic park. Okay, so we can learn the road rules in the traffic park. Okay, so traffic parks are used to learn the road rules. Okay children, so did you see? One of the intention of this park is to improve the awareness of traffic safety. So traffic safety oda awareness improve பண்றதுக்கு தான் இந்த traffic park லாம் யூஸ் ஆகுது. Okay children, so among school children, so school children ல இருந்தே உங்களுக்கு traffic rules னா என்ன, traffic rules நம்ம எப்படி ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும், இதெல்லாம் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்றதுக்காக கொண்டு வரப்பட்டது தான் இந்த traffic park. Okay children, there we can learn the traffic rules easily. Okay, so in this traffic park we can learn the road rules easily. Okay children, okay. Then there is a traffic park near Anna Square in Chennai. So this traffic park we can see in Chennai, Anna Square. Okay, so Anna Square அப்படின ஒரு பிளேஸ்ல நம்ம இன்ஷியலா இந்த டிராஃபிக் பார்க்க பார்க்க முடியும். in Chennai, சென்னையில இருக்கக்கூடிய அண்ணா ஸ்கொயர் அப்படின ஒரு பிளேஸ்ல தான் இந்த டிராஃபிக் பார்க் இருக்கு. Okay children, next wear helmet save your life. Okay, என்னோட ஹெல்மெட் நீ வியர் பண்ணி நீ டிராவல் பைக்ல எல்லாம் டிராவல் பண்ணும்போது ஹெல்மெட் வியர் பண்ணோம்னா நம்மளோட லைஃப் என்ன செய்யும், பாதுகாக்கப்படும். Okay children, then let us obey traffic rules. Okay, you have to obey the traffic rules to avoid the road accidents. Okay children, so all of you must follow the traffic rules. Okay children, whenever we walk on the road or we're driving on the or while traveling on the road, we should follow the safety rules and the traffic signals. Okay children, then we can avoid the road accidents. Okay, do you understand children? Yes, then remaining we will learn our next day class. Okay, so do you understand today topic? Do you understand children? Yes, so today all of you have to read the book. Okay children, okay. Yes, so now all of you take your social class work. Okay children, all of you take your social classwork note and write the classwork children. So already in the previous class we have finished meanings, missing letters and jumble letter. Yes, have you written children? Have you written everything? Yes, so now all of you leave one line and write fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first fill up, we have to protect ourselves from danger. We have to protect ourselves from danger. Write neatly children, your handwriting should be neat. Okay, we have to protect ourselves. We have to protect ourselves from danger. Underline danger. Okay, then leave one line and write second one. The accident causes by fire, water and electricity. The accident causes by fire, water and electricity. I have to underline fire, water and electricity. Okay children, then third one, when we got fire we should not run. Underline run. When we got fire we should not run. Underline run. Okay, then fourth one, leave one line and write fourth one. While swimming in a pool, we should wear life jacket. While swimming in a pool we should wear life jacket. Underline life jacket. Okay children, so did you write? So first one, we have to protect ourselves from danger. Then second, the accident caused by fire, water and electricity. Third, when we got fire we should not run. Then fourth, while swimming in a pool, we should wear life jacket. Okay children, did you write? Can you read now? Yes. Have you written 4 fill-ups? Yes. Then leave one line and write fifth one. We must obey the traffic rules. We must obey the traffic rules. Underline traffic rules. We must obey the traffic rules. Okay. Then sixth one, leave one line and write sixth one. We must cross on the zebra crossing. We must cross on the zebra crossing. Underline zebra crossing. We must cross on the zebra crossing. Underline zebra crossing. Then seventh, leave one line and write seventh. Pesticides are used to kill insects. Pesticides are used to kill insects. Underline insects. Pesticides are used to kill insects. Underline insects. Okay children, did you write? We must obey the traffic rules. We must cross on the zebra crossing. Pesticides are used to kill insects. Okay. So did you write fill-ups? Yes. So now all of you take your homework now children. So children, all of you take your previous class homework. Have to check the answer children. If you write wrongly, you have to correct it now. Water is very important our daily life. Answer water. Okay, so water is very important in our daily life. Answer water. Okay, then second, electricity has been a necessity for our life. Okay, so answer electricity. Okay children. Then third, accidents occur when we use electricity carefully. Okay, so answer electricity. Okay children. So did you write correctly? If you write wrong, you have to correct it now. Okay children. Finish. Then leave one line and start to write today homework. Put the date children. Put the date and write today homework. Put the date and write today homework. Find and write fill up. Find and write fill ups. Book page number 164 and 165. Okay, so the first one, always we walk on dash. Always we walk on dash. Always we walk on the dash. Then second, dash should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Dash should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Okay, then third one, leave one line and write third one. When we travel in a car, we should wear dash. When we travel in a car, we should wear dash. Then fourth, while riding a two-wheeler, we should wear dash. While riding a two-wheeler, we should wear dash. Okay children. So did you write this 4 fill-ups? Okay, so this 4 fill-ups are today homework. Okay children. So have to find the page number 164 and 165. Okay children. The 2 page you have to read and write the answer. Okay children. Nalla read பண்ணி பார்த்து கரெக்டான ஆன்சரை கண்டுபிடிச்சு எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? Then we will see our next day class. Okay children. So today all of you have to read the book and study the classwork, write the homework correctly. Okay children. Then we will see our next day class. Okay, have a nice day.